I know you guys have seen me strip furniture before, but maybe you don't really know what the process is necessarily and you're curious about it. I use this product called CitriStrip. It's a stripping gel, and I only do it on pieces that have been previously painted. I also use the cling wrap to cover it and leave it overnight so it can pull up all of the old paint. I usually leave it for at least like 12 hours. So I apply it with just like a regular brush, nothing fancy. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit of my process if you haven't seen it before. All right, they are all wrapped. I also did the top. After I wrap it, I make sure all of the bubbles are smoothed out, and then all we do is wait overnight and it will peel right up. Good morning. So I've let these sit overnight and they should peel up really nicely. I forgot to mention earlier on in the video that it is best to use a plastic spackling knife to scrape off the CitriStrip. If you use a metal one, it may gouge the wood. The drawers came out pretty nicely, but the top is a little rough going. Probably another layer of the CitriStrip will do it. I wanted to show you again, these are the stripped drawers. I have two identical dressers. This is the one that I worked on first, and it has been all stripped down, same process, and sanded. Amazing how far it's come from a terribly painted piece down to its natural beauty. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please comment, have any questions. I would be happy to answer them.